Hello, dear guys. Now I share with you portable folding toilet only for you. If you need, please check description. Okay, this is the product. Now I share with you. Just wait and see, and the actual picture. Okay, this is the picture, and I share with you. This is the price. This is the price, and 52% discount. Okay, already 300 plus sold out and 59 reviews. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description, and I think this is the best product for you and who want to buy portable folding toilet for camping, travel, folding car, emergency toilet. Okay, so please check description. Thank you so much for watching this video.